I know I look a complete and utter mess right now, but I'm going to fix this. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a new video and this is a hair video because every time I do a hairstyle, people always ask me how I do it. I just took out my twist that I wear a lot. I'll put it like right here. But it was literally the twist I wore in my last video, so if I don't put it right there, then just go watch my video. Today I'm going to be doing a braid out on my hair. First of all, I'm going to wash my hair. I'm not at the stage where I'm going to film myself washing my hair, but I can tell you guys the things that I use to wash my hair. It's like 11 o'clock right now, meaning I'm literally not gonna go to sleep until 7 a.m. This is gonna be like a two-part video. It's not two parts because technically I'm putting it into one video. It's going to be today and obviously tomorrow with the results. And I might even put in a little makeup tutorial. Maybe not a tutorial, but it's gonna be like a get ready with me type of thing. I might be going somewhere tomorrow. I might not be going somewhere tomorrow. Don't really know yet. It's kind of like up in the air. So let me go get those products so I can show you guys what I'm working with. It completely rubbed off, but this is the shampoo. And it is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. And it's for dry and damaged hair because I have colored hair, obviously. This is the conditioner, by the way. This is the shampoo, and then I'm going to be using the deep conditioner. First thing when I get in the shower is I rinse my hair off. Then I use a conditioner first, shampoo my hair. After I shampoo my hair, then I put in a deep conditioner. I don't know, but that's how I do it. I just do that, and then I come out, and then I have the leave-in conditioner from that line. I put leave-in conditioner in my hair straight, like while I'm in the shower, while the water's running. And then I put my hair up in my cloth. I have like, it's a t-shirt towel. I put that over my head. Then I come here, take it off, and I start doing my hair. I'm just going to go and wash my hair before it gets way too late. So see you guys when I get back. Okay, so I just got out the shower. I guess I'll start with the products that I'm gonna use. So if this is a tutorial, which it really isn't, but if it is, I use As I Am Twist Defining Cream, the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, like a mister spray bottle. You can use your gel of choice, but the gel that I have right now is Extreme Wet Line. It's just the green one. You need a comb. You're gonna need a brush of choice to detangle your hair with, and I use a diamond brush. Because my hair is heat damage, like on the front, I use like these tiny perm rods. I'm gonna take my hair out of this. Let's see what it's looking like. It's not that bad. Oh, this is the back. How to start is always the hard part. So you're just gonna section off the back part of your hair. It really depends on how big you want to do them. I do mine like medium size. So I'm just gonna take the rest, put it up, and I use a scrunchie. And these help to just put up the parts that you don't need. So basically, like, I do it in lines. I just take, it's not even because it doesn't really have to be. And I'll go like probably like this much hair, and I'll just make this a braid. Before I start each section, I use the oil and I just put it on, I think, I really don't know. I guess it's like a quarter size. And I just rub it all over the whole thing. And I do that for each section, so I don't have to do it individually because I feel like that takes more time. Okay, so you're just gonna get it, you're gonna spray it. Because my hair doesn't dry, I'm supposed to be taking these out tomorrow. Usually when I do this style, I have the braids in for like 2 days because my hair just doesn't dry. And if you do this and you take it out before your hair is dry, then you played yourself because you're most likely leaving the house with a bun, sis. I guarantee you it's not gonna look good. So I'm going to do this and I'm gonna sit under the dryer that belongs to my best friend, Asina, but I stole it from her house. Thank you, Sina. You're welcome. The first thing I do is I just apply the twisting butter. I kind of just rake it through until I feel like I put enough. I focus on my ends too. The gel is supposed to function to seal it, to make sure that it just looks really crisp and clean. I don't use a lot. Just like this much. Then get the brush or whatever. I'm just gonna start braiding it. When you're doing this and you're doing the braids, try to make it as clean as possible it will show if you didn't really take your time when you were doing the braid. Don't let hairs like cross over, and I just brush as I go. It makes it easier when you're taking it out. And this is the part where I realized that I don't want to be here anymore. Do this to your whole head, basically. And I don't have to do more than one demo. I feel like that's enough. I'm going to just only do another one when I'm putting the perm rods on so that you can see how I do it. Pretty self-explanatory. It's not really hard. I think it's just how you do it, which determines your results. If you do it and you take your time, you will get good results. If you use the right products for your hair, you'll get good results. I found the right products that I feel work for my hair. I used to use like the curling smoothie, and that makes my hair look, it just looks like I have dandruff because for some reason the product just doesn't go into my hair, so it doesn't work for me. If it works for you, go ahead, but this is what works for me. I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my head, so see you guys when I'm like up here. I'm at a part where I'm going to be using a perm rod. I take it by this end and I take it behind my hair, and I start at the top, and I try to wrap it as closely as possible to the hair so it ends up in like a tight coil. Then I wrap it one more time. Then I take the band and I wrap it on top of the braid. And then seal it. And that's it. And then I just do that to every one that I feel is not curling the way I want it to. But these are what the braids look like at the back. I have this much to do, and it's been 2 hours, so I usually be up till like 6. It's about to be 3, so at this rate I might be done at 6 actually. I'm going to come back when I'm all done, and then afterwards show you guys the results when I take it out tomorrow, or basically tonight. It's 5 a.m. I don't want to be here anymore. We'll be back when I'm actually done my hair. I'm back. Technically it's the same day, but just later in the day. But yeah, roll the clip. I'm just going to do a quick makeup thing. The first thing I start off with, obviously you moisturize and wash face. And then, this is very odd, but I learned this from a video. You start off with your translucent powder. You're just gonna take like a fluffy brush. I wanna just put that all over your face, but not too much. Okay, the next part is actually setting spray. I don't have a setting spray. I just used a facial spray, and I already said this before, so. Just spray enough, and then you allow it to dry before you do the next step. And the next step is a primer. Okay, so now that that's basically dry, I'm gonna go with my primer, and I just use the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Powder. Poreless Priming Perfector. And I got this at Sephora. I don't take a lot, I take like just that much, and I use that for my whole face. Doing this weird technique is supposed to like help your foundation just look very smooth, so that's why I started doing it. And the first thing I do is my eyebrows, and I'm not really gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm just gonna do it because this video is an eyebrow tutorial, and why do it here when I can save that for views on another video, you know? So I'm just gonna do it, and like, not to be rude, but I might cut this part out because I'm not gonna go into detail about how I do it. Okay, so now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm just going to start my foundation. My foundation that I use is the Fenty foundation in the shade 440. I think I was a darker shade before, well, in the summertime, but this is what I'm using now. My Fenty foundation brush. Kind of just paint it on. I just do one cheek at a time. I'm gonna take another pump. So I basically told I just use 2 pumps. trying to, I go over my ears too, just to make sure everything's the same shade. Then I'll put that down. I'll just go in with my beauty blender and take the rest of the foundation. Just go over like parts that I didn't touch. Then the forehead. Because you don't want to look flat, you want to obviously contour. I'm going to start off with the dark. When I do my nose, I don't do a lot because this is, well, it depends on the event. For this, I just go like right there, and then I put some on the bottom. And then I just put like a circle right there. Then I'll just drag a little bit on the bottom. Circle. And then drag a little bit on the bottom. Because I don't have that many brushes, I use my foundation brush and I like squeeze it together for my nose, and I just take this and I like push it up, and I also bring it down my nose. I'm like touching my eyebrows and I'm also bringing it down the side of my nose. The same thing for the other side. And then I'm just gonna get the bottom. And then when I'm doing my cheeks, I try to take it up and I make like a 3, and I just blend it with the one that I had on my jaw. So I just go in like a 3 motion. If that makes any sense. This came in a set of 3. I don't need to bring up the third one. They all look like this. They're the Matchsticks by Fenty. The contour one was Espresso. This one is Suede. And then make a triangle under your eyes. And then I just take a little bit, like a mini line under where I did the contour. Okay, so like my face just looks very like, hello. And this is literally just what I do because you can barely see, but without the makeup, I have a mole right here and I think it's pretty. I take liquid eyeliner and I just tap onto where it is just so that you can see it through makeup, because I just like to see it. I think it's pretty. So see, you can like barely even see it even with what I just did, but I can see it, so that's all that matters. Just gonna spray the cotton swab with rose water. I'm just gonna go over, because I don't want to take off like my makeup, I'm just gonna go over gently the part that I got mascara. I don't want to cry. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I'm just gonna use a regular lip gloss. I don't know how I feel about that. This is the finished makeup look. I can get closer. This is the finished makeup look, and then I'm like obviously gonna take my hair out and show you guys what I look like with my outfit and all that. Sorry my mood's down. I just feel sick, but it's not like flu sick, like the corona symptoms, because I can't have coronavirus. Like I can't have it, like God forbid. Pray yourself, people who do. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you all how I take out all my hair because my phone is on 13%. First thing I do is I put oil on my hands. Yeah, I got a lot. And then I go through and I just take out all the perm rods. And then I just use oil on my hands and I just go through. Then I take a scrunchie, put up the hair on top, just so I make sure that I take out rebraid. That's why it takes me so long, because if you take them out like real gently, your hair will just look really nice. If your braiding technique is like trash, then you have a trash braid out. And then you just get the 3 strands just like that. Just separate them real gently. I kind of like take pieces in my hand and just yeah, basically just like that. I don't know how to explain it. You just kind of just want to make it look good. I'll just come back when I'm completely done getting ready. See you guys then. Okay, so this is the final hair. Take a blow dryer over my roots to brush my hair some more. Okay, so this is my outfit. So I'm just wearing my brother's shirt. I'm wearing these necklaces I got from Fashion Nova. It's like a 3-piece thing. I'm just wearing like ripped jeans. These shoes, that's what it's looking like. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also to subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Share it with your friends, your mom, your dad, your dog, just so everybody can see this video. And follow my social medias if you like, whatever, if you just want to follow my social medias. But that's it. So see you guys later, maybe. Bye! Am I gonna wear this sweatshirt here? Does it go? Does it go? Yes, it goes. Fuego.